Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to differentiate the trig function and we are going to use quotient rule. The quotient rule is used to differentiate the function that in the form of y is equal to u over v, and the formula that we are going to use is the y dx is equal to v du dx minus u dv dx over v square. We are going to differentiate tan x. Let our function y is equal to tan x, but tan x is the same as sin x over cos x. Now y, this is equal to sin x over cos x. This already is in the form of u over v. U is equal to sin x and v is equal to cos x. Let us differentiate u with respect to x, that is the u, the x, this is equal to cos x, and also let's differentiate v with respect to x, that is the v, the x, this is equal to negative sin x. Let us apply the formula, the y, the x, this is equal to v, the u, the x minus u, the v, the x over v square. I'm going to substitute u, v, the u, the x, and the v, the x to my formula. That is going to be the y, the x, this is equal to v, which is equal to cos x, multiplied by the u, the x, which also is equal to cos x, minus u, which is sin x, multiplied by the v dx, which we get minus sin x. This is over v square. V is equal to cos x. That is going to be cos square x. This will give us cos x multiplied by cos x. We are going to get cos square x. We have minus and we have another minus here. When we multiply them, we are going to get plus. That is going to be addition. Sin x multiplied by sin x, we are going to get sin square x. This is over cos square x. But we know cos square x plus sin square x, this is equal to 1. So I'm going to substitute 1 to the numerator. That is going to be 1 over cos square x. This is equal to sec square x. So the y, the x is equal to sec square x. Let me leave with you with the question. Differentiate y is equal to sec x. Please, you can give your answer to the comment section. I hope you understand. For more questions on differentiation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.